Step into the 2007 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.